Okay, I have something to tell you that might make you a little uncomfortable about science, but I promise you it's an important part of also understanding science. A lot of published scientific studies can't be replicated. If another lab tried to run the same experiment, they're usually going to get different results. To explore this further, there was an 8-year project called the Reproducibility Project in the cancer biology field that actually went and tried to replicate experiments from high-impact cancer biology papers, and what they found was a lot. The project attempted to replicate 193 different experiments from 53 different papers. Before they even got to run a single experiment, they hit wall after wall just trying to set up these replications. 0% of the original protocols were completely described. 70% of the experiments required reaching out to the original authors to get key reagents, the biological materials needed to run the experiment, and even then, 32% of the time, the original authors were either unresponsive or unhelpful. When the project actually did run the experiments, the replication effect sizes were on average 85% smaller than the original findings. This means the experiment's conclusions could be real, but they're way less dramatic than originally reported. Now, why is this happening in science? Well, for starters, there's an issue in science called publish or perish, where scientists feel like they gotta be producing amazing, super dramatic new results at a crazy output rate, or else they're not gonna make it. It's a lot of pressure and leads to this kind of messy crisis we're seeing. Journals are also not helping with this by only focusing on publishing the most amazingly crazy, positive, significant results and rejecting papers that are negative. The fact that reproducibility projects exist is actually the hopeful part of this crisis. Scientists are trying to identify the problems, and systematically studying it is exactly how we can fix the science itself. The goal coming out of this should be more transparency, more open data, better documented methods, more collaboration, negative results being published, all that jazz. I think this is a crisis that's going to get better, very slowly, but it will get better, I think, I hope, hopefully.